looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this.
Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to edit videos in Capcut. This video includes two parts, which contain two ways to edit videos. The first one is to edit by yourself, and the second one is a fantastic way. It's so easy. You will be able to edit videos after watching this tutorial. Let's get started. You need to prepare some pictures and videos you want to edit. Now I will open Capcut. This is what Capcut will look like. Then click on New Project. Choose the pictures and video you want to edit. In here I will choose this video and two photos. Click Add. You will see many functions at the bottom of your screen. First, click to Edit. Use Split to divide your video into many parts. In here, I will depart my videos into 3 parts. Use Speed to make the video to be faster or slower if you want. Like here, I will click to the video and then I will click to Speed. I will choose Normal and I will make it to be faster. Like this. The next one is Volume. I will click to Volume. And you can speed up the volume like this. In here, I will turn off the audio. Please note that these two functions are not available for images. The next one is Animation. I will click to In. You can choose the effect you want to edit to your video as well as the picture. You see? And click Delete to remove the picture or the video you want. Like here, I will remove this one. I will click to it and then click Delete. One more you need to pay attention to is Filter, because it helps your video look more amazing. Choose the filter you want. In here, I will choose Ice. Or I could try Cream, Green Milk. Oh, I like this one. To make your video more interesting, I suggest you add music to your video. Click to Audio. Then click Sounds. Find the music themes and choose the music you want. In here, I will click to Travel. I like the first one, so I will choose this. I will put it in the start of the video. One more important function is adding the text. Click Text, then Add Text. You can type anything you want, like for example, I would type Accenture like this. However, I suggest you use text template to make your text look more professional. First, I will delete this text and I will click to text template. You will see many templates. Choose one and type the text you want. For example, I choose this one and I will type Accenture. Click OK. Okay, so it looks like this. Or you can try another one if you like. In this situation, I like this text. and I will put it at the bottom like this, or I will put it in here. Okay, it looks good now. The next one is stickers. There are many amazing stickers. I will add some of them. I will choose this one, zoom out like this, click OK. I will choose one more stickers. I will put it in here, then click OK. Okay, so these are the basic functions you need to use when editing a video in Capcut. You can try other functions if you want. When finished, click the arrow button on the right top to choose the quality for the video. I will choose the maximum, 1080 pixels. Then click on the arrow on the right to export your video. Please note that keep Capcut open and don't lock your screen. Well, we completed. You can share your video on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, or others. The second way is using templates. Click Template. Then choose the one you like. For instance, I will type perfect and search. I will see some templates. The next one. Oh, I like this one, so I will choose this one. Click Use Template. Then choose 5 photos. In here, I will choose this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Click Next. Well, that's all. So easy and quick. Now I will export this video by clicking Export at the right top. You have two options: Export without watermark or Export which has Capcut logo. I will choose the second one. Again, please note that keep Capcut open and don't lock your screen while exporting. We've done. Share your video on TikTok, Facebook, or others if you want. Please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates. Thanks for watching.